Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic: how older women show attraction. Whether you're dating an older woman or you've just caught the eye of a mature lady, this video is for you. We're going to break down the key signs that she's into you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the signs, it's important to understand the mindset of older women when it comes to attraction and relationships. Unlike younger women, older women usually know what they want. They've been through relationships, have life experience, and don't have time for games. They are often more confident and direct in their approach, which is why their signals might be a bit different from what you're used to. Older women are typically more emotionally mature and secure in themselves. This means that when they were interested in someone, they were less likely to hide it behind coy games or mixed signals. However, they still might not come right out and say it. So you too need to be attentive to the subtle cues they give off. One of the clearest signs that an older woman is interested in you is when she initiates contact. This could be through texting, calling, or even making plans to see you. Older women are often busy with their careers, families, and social lives. So if she's making an effort to reach out and spend time with you, it's a strong indicator that she likes you. Pay attention to how often she reaches out. If she's consistent, suggesting activities, she's likely interested in you. Remember, older women are less likely to play hard to get. If she's into you, she will show it through her actions. Compliments are a universal sign of attraction, but the way older women compliment can be particularly in tact. When an older woman is attracted to you, her compliments are often thoughtful and specific. She might admire your sense of humor, compliment your intelligence, praise how you carry yourself. These aren't just surface-level confidence. They're about who you are as a person. When an older woman is attracted to you, she'd show genuine interest in your life. She'd ask questions about your hobbies, your job, your family, and your goals. She wants to know what makes you tick and where your passions lie. This interest goes beyond just casual conversation. She's invested in getting to know. She may also offer support for advice, which is. And if she's attracted to you, she will want to help you achieve your goal. This could be anything from giving you career advice to just being a good listener when you want to vent. Physical affection is another clear side. As an older woman race, this might include subtle touches like facing the head during conversation, giving you, or even brushing against you lightly. These small gestures are her way of closing the physical distance between you. Unlike younger women who might be more reserved, older women are often more comfortable expressing their attraction through touch. If she's frequently finding excuses to be close to you, it's a sign she's into you. Remember, these gestures are usually subtle, so pay close attention. Another major sign that an older woman is attracted to you is her support for your ambitions and goals. She encourages you, give you advice, and even celebrate your successes with you. Older women value personal growth and achievement, and if she's attracted to you, she'd want to see you thrive. Time is precious, especially for older women, who often juggle multiple responsibilities. If she's making time for you in her busy schedule, it's a sure sign she's interested. Whether it's meeting for coffee, going out for dinner, or even just talking on the phone, if she's consistently carving out time to be with you, she's likely attracted to you. And pay attention to how she prioritizes you. Does she rearrange her schedule to see you? Does she make an effort to plan activities that you will both enjoy? These are clear signs that she values your time together and is genuinely interested in you. Older women may surprise you with their playful side. When they're attracted to someone, she might tease you, joke around, or use light-hearted banter to keep the conversation fun. This playful behavior is a way for her to show interest without being too serious too soon. Teasing is a form of flirting, and if she's doing it with a smile on her face, it's a good sign she's into you. Older women understand the balance between fun and seriousness, so if she's playfully challenging you or making you laugh, she's likely trying to build a connection. Older women tend to be more open about their lives when they were attracted to someone. She too shares stories from her past, talk about her experiences, and let you in on her thoughts and feelings. This openness is a way for her to build a deeper connection with you. If she's telling you about her past relationships, her family, or her dreams for the future, it's a sign that she trusts you and sees potential in your relationship. Older women don't open up to just anyone, so if she's sharing personal details with you, it's a clear sign that she's interested. When an older woman introduces you to her friends or family, it's a significant sign that she likes you. This move shows that she's comfortable with you and wants the important people in her life to meet you. It's a way of integrating you into her world, which is a big deal, especially for someone who values her independence. Meeting her friends or family is a clear sign that she's thinking about a future with you. It's her way of testing the waters to see how you fit into her life. If she's introducing you to her inner circle, it's a strong indicator that she's attracted to you and sees potential in your relationship. Finally, one of the biggest signs that an older woman is attracted to you is when she talks about the future with you. This could be something as simple as planning future dates or discussing long-term goals and aspirations. If she's including you in her future plans, it's a clear sign that she's serious about you. Older women don't waste time on relationships that don't have potential. If she's talking about future vacations, events, or even just making plans for the next few weeks, she's showing that she sees a future with you. Pay attention to these conversations, as they are a strong sign of her interest. So there you have it, 10 key signs that an older woman is attracted to you. Remember, older women are confident, direct, and know what they want. If she's showing these signs, there's a good chance she's interested in you. The key is to pay attention to her actions and respond accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know if you've experienced any of these signs yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on relationships, dating, and attraction.